Have you ever had a moment where you saw something so beautiful you had to capture it? Maybe it was the light on somebody's face, the color of the sunset, or the little details on your child's smile. Every artist knows that feeling, that spark of creativity that whispers, "You can draw this." But when it comes to the hard part, getting what's in your mind onto paper just right. That's where the Vinci Eye App comes in. Vinci Eye isn't about replacing your skill, it's about unlocking it. It uses the power of augmented reality to help you see your subject and your drawing at the same time, so you can trace the proportions perfectly, freeing up your time so you can focus on shading and details. And it could also be used as the first stepping stone in practicing freehand drawing. It's like having a professional art teacher, one that never judges, never rushes you, and lets you draw at your own pace. Whether you're sketching portraits, painting on glass, or creating your next masterpiece on canvas, Vinci Eye helps you see the world differently. You can even break down your reference image into step-by-step stencils by color value, helping you to learn how light, shadows, and shapes all come together. Artists around the world use it every day, from beginners just starting their creative journey to professionals working on commissions and murals. They all share one thing: a love for creating something real, something beautiful, and something theirs. Because art isn't about perfection, it's about connection between your eyes, your hands, and your heart. You don't need to be a master to make art, you just need to start. The Vinci Eye App will be your guide every step of the way.